Learn how to bypass iCloud activation. Lock on your iPhone, any mobile. This guide covers methods to unlock a locked iPhone, including tools, tips, and ethical considerations. Watch till the end for essential information. Now, as you can see inside iCloud Activation Lock, how to bypass iCloud, open SkyNetTool.com website there. More service available. For bypass iCloud lock, which model you need to bypass select and see price. After add credit, bypass your iPhone. Now open bypass tool. I will use iRemove tool for bypass in Mac operating system. If you don't have Mac operating system, don't worry. You can use Mina Windows tool or iRemoval Pro for Windows tool. After open bypass tool, connect USB cable in your iPhone, iPad for check. After connect when show payment option, then you can bypass without SIM. But if you use SkyNetTool.com website, there more service available, which want you need add credit and bypass your devices. Now click Start Process. Will automatically open iRemove tool website for active IMEI number. If you use this website, please, you will use promo code 𝐜𝐸𝐸 discount. But my case, I will use SkyNetTool.com for active